Here are the Lab06 test cases, starting with the coordinate parsing test cases. If we start it and select a board, first we'll test for invalid types. So if I say HH, it should be invalid. And I'm going to just cut the program after every coordinate so that we don't have to run the whole thing. Next is the upper range of the numbers. So if I say D9, that should work. Whereas if I run this again and give it D10, that should give me an error. Similarly, with the letters, if I say I5, that should work. However, J5 should not. In addition, a normal coordinate should work. So E5 is totally normal. And it should work if we have it reversed. So if I say 5E, that works. As well as if I say E5, that also works as lowercase coordinates. And then in addition to the coordinate parsing test cases, we also need to make sure it can report that a square is filled. So A1 is filled. And it should be able to check for a unique row. So H2 cannot have 3. So yep, the value 3 is invalid, as well as H8 cannot have 5, as that is not unique in that column. And finally, E5 cannot have 6, as that is not unique inside the square. And we can also use the letter S, whether it's capital S to display the valid values, which in this case should be 8, or if I say E5 again, and S, lowercase s, that is also still the valid value of 8, which I will go ahead and add. So now if we quit, we can create a new save. So when I start again, I can select the save that was taken at this time, and E5 has been set to 8 as we saved it. And that would also happen if we were to do lowercase q. That also allows us to create a new save, just like that.